Hey guys, welcome back. So Sparkdex just released a new functions. So let's try it out. So I'm gonna say that USDC and Rappler. So I want to buy $5 of Rappler and the price. So if I go to Dex Screener and then I choose Rappler because this is what I want to know. So in this case, because one USDC is buying Rappler, the more Rappler you get for each USDC, it's better. So right now it's at 42.42. Yeah. So I'm gonna say that if the price is 43, I want to buy 5 USDC of Rappler. So minimum $5. And then I put expiry date. So that means that if the price doesn't hit, then you can cancel the order. You can do more days, whatever you want. So in this case, I'm going to do order limit at 43 Rappler per dollar. I want to buy this amount of Rappler. So TWAP. So limit order. And then it might fulfill partially or complete. So this is pretty great. The other option is, so in this case, that I want to spend $5 or I want to spend $10 every 5 hours over 2 trades. So I'm going to spend a total of $10 in the next 10 hours. So this can be a great way to do like a dollar cost average. I could also say that I want to, when $1 is worth 43, let's do the same example. In this case, I can set a limit price, and whenever the price is above 43 Rappler per dollar, I'm gonna be spending this amount every 5 hours over 2 trades. So if I wanted to say the next 2 days, I would say like this. So in this case, I would spend $5 and $5. So if I press TWAP, sign, confirm. So this might trigger or it might not. It depends. But what I'm seeing is that let's say that you have 1 ETH, 1, and you say, okay, I want to start swapping above $4,000. And you're going to say that every day you want to sell this amount over the next 10 days. So if the price keeps going up, you have a budget every day, and then you can like capitalize on that price increase. This is very similar to what Rainlang is doing, which is, I think it's amazing to have it in Sparkdex. All right, guys, that was it. And then I will report once these trades are finished or not. But I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how this works. All right, guys, until next time.